Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Serame, bringing you the Hitani I fix, I destroy, and neutralize. I'm back and unbothered and back to fix the country. Let's get it.
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Serame, and I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure best believe if you are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas.
Lambs, no more conversations. And we mean it.
Until the race.
Yes, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Hi, guys. Hello, how are you? I'm good. Would you mind stopping for a second for a couples quiz? I've got a channel on YouTube where I question couples, but it's just a few questions.
Okay, you can ask.
You don't mind?
No, we don't. Do you?
Why?
Please, Ham.
You don't trust us for what?
Hey, look at man, you know.
Yeah, sibalalele kodwa ish. Ngiyathi uzongizela nenkinga lo.
Honey.
What does your man mean, girl?
What is the name?
Asibezo.
Come closer, stop walking further. I need you at the corner with me there. Yes, exactly. Sir on my left, Miss on my right, please. Name?
Themba.
Why don't you trust me, Temba?
Hayi ukuthi ngikuthembe besayihambela nje kamnandi yabo. Manje siyangiphazamisa.
Oh, hi, sorry. Kushuthi sorry. Bensiyaphi?
Bengisangapha nje endlini yabo. Ngisajika endlini bethuze kimvele because ishiyabona now. Ish
Hi, yini guys.
Ilanga lama-movie, ama-popcorn, yabo.
Yeah, on Netflix and chill.
Yeah, sithi relax.
Synonym for sex.
Ngizona uphazamisa indlela yethu.
You do know Netflix is not sex. It's not Netflix, it's sex. When a man calls you over for Netflix and chill.
Kanjani ngithi thina
Ngiyela
soyihlalela.
nje iNetflix sisihlalele nomuntu wami kube mnandi nje.
Sithi bonda nje kamnandi.
Okay, I get. After this, you guys can go do that. Ne? Polo Temba. Name, Meskat?
Lebitso la ka ke Kamhelo aus.
Gamo Hell. Can I call you Gamo?
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay, Gamo, how long have you been with your Temba?
It has been 6 months.
6 months.
Yes.
Still going strong.
Yeah, ish. Oh, I yakho imnati hampe relationship ya rona ron.
Ah.
I love you here, wabo.
Yes. Okay.
Into jwalo nje ya.
Okay, happy for you. Temba, where did you meet her? 6 months ago.
6 months ago.
Where did you meet her?
Sahlangana ngapha nje kwenye indawo ekuthiwa yini iGumede. Rayfontein so.
Yeah.
Nalapho kusasiphuza.
Groove, ne?
Ish yabona iRove ya.
Yes.
Nathatheka kahle.
Yeah.
Yabona. Manje ngibona siyaphusha impela ndisimnandi.
Okay.
Simnandi.
Okay, who was she with at Groove? Friends?
Yeah, friends, hey friends yabo. Ladies, so sahlangana. Yabona emakhoneni nje.
Yeah.
Yabo so ish.
Okay.
The numbers then sahlangana kanjalo silokhu sihlangana.
What do you mean inahlangana emakhoneni, Ted?
Wena sofuna nge deep manje.
Yes, ekoneni kudibana njani ekoneni eGroove? Was she on the way to the bathroom like what?
Okay, ngasho ukuthi kahle kade ngimbonile vele yabo.
Yeah.
Manje ukunyamalala kwakhe nami ngiyanyamalala.
You bethuna amadoda ayasilandela eGroove.
Bekangisoka lo bhuti.
Yes.
Ngiyabona nami le ndaba.
Buka ke mina sekathi ngistopha
So wakukhatha ekoneni?
Yo wangivalele khoneni wakhuluma mara hayi bekaloku angitsiphelile iso sahleli ematafuleni yabo.
Aha.
Nami ngathatheka ngithi hayi awuthi ngizobrothers ukuthi ithine yakhe so yeah yabanjalo.
Okay.
isikhathi sihamba ngathi sewuba
Sorry. I'm gonna get straight to the point. Just this is the last question, and then do you trust him?
Yeah, ngiyamthemba.
On a scale of 1 to 10, just rate him for me.
10.
10.
Yeah, ngimupha 10.
Damn it. Temba.
njengoba eshilo 10.
10.
Yes.
All right. Let me get straight to the point because I am a closer liar. What we do on this show, we don't just ask couples a quiz, ne? We don't just ask you guys questions, but we make you guys switch phones. If you are willing, of course, we can't force you. You switch phones and then you guys go through each other's WhatsApps. We're checking whether or not you're cheating on each other.
Yabona-ke bengishilo-ke buka manje sesiswitch
Sorry, wethu bhuti man.
ngikhipha ifoni yami manje.
Oh,
Kanti kunani kule phone yakho?
Hhayi akunalutho nje sengiyasho ukuthi manje sekumele belokhu bengena kuy'nto zami. Yabona nje.
into zakho ezithe ucofa nguwe.
Okay, babe, letha ngibona.
So now you're willing, ne?
Mina ngizomnikeza.
So whose phone are we starting with?
Ngathi ngiqale ngeyakhe.
Okay. Go. Did you open it? My skirting at you didn't. Did you open it?
Ya ngivulile.
Oh, okay. Go to her WhatsApp.
Okay, now WhatsApp ngingena ku.
Okay, search. Type love you. What does she use English or what?
Usebenzisa yona English.
Oh, okay.
Yabuma kanami.
Okay.
Kaze shiya ulimi lakhe linokubuyela ungixuzisa.
I get you.
Okay.
Type love you, yeah.
Yeah. Akungitholi lutho.
Okay. Okay, nice. Delete that.
Okay, delete.
Type miss you.
Ngivele ngithi I miss you.
Eh.
I miss you. Yeah.
What do you see there?
Ngibona nje mina.
Okay.
Akekho omunye.
Okay.
Okay.
Delete that. Type babe.
Baby.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, babe. Oh, hayi cha yabo sengithande mama yabo. Bengiqinisile yabo. Sense nje awu.
For now.
Yeah.
For now.
Uqonda ukuthini mawuthi
Nothing. I don't mean anything. Delete.
So hamba ke. Okay, delete.
Type outside. Ah, I'm sorry. Not even. So you don't want to check his phone because we already did. Exactly. Type outside.
Outside.
Mm-hmm.
Outside, yeah.
What do you see?
Nothing.
Just. Okay.
I
Okay.
see nothing.
Okay. Delete that.
Okay, delete.
Type last night.
Last night asithemba ngesithole lutho.
Hopefully.
Yini ngathi asangithembi nje.
Yeah, ngithole lutho
Okay.
still.
Okay. Delete that.
Okay, delete.
Type pregnant.
Pregnant. Yeah, ngibhalile.
Okay. What do you see?
Nothing.
Hey, ngathi uyadelete ntombi.
Hey, ngathi uyadelete.
Tell me got nothing nje. Naku I love you. Okay, fine. Delete. Type test.
Test.
Yeah.
Test. Yeah.
What do you see?
Nothing.
Nothing. Hey.
Honest.
Girl.
Ngiklini mara ngisho.
Okay, delete. Type morning after pill.
Pill. Yeah.
Hi, shame clean.
I would clean.
Okay, delete that. Type ageko.
Delete. So, akekho.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Bhalile.
Hi.
Ayi.
Nothing again.
Unestikimi kahle
Ne?
umuntu, yabo.
Delete. Hey, type waza.
Woza.
Mm-hmm.
Woza, yeah.
Hi, shame.
There's nothing.
Give your woman back her phone. Hey, girl. Okay, congrats, darling. Siyabona.
Ngeke isikhathi siyahamba.
Ah.
Sizombezela thina bethu si.
Yeah, kwifone ithemba sizokhawuleza. We need your phone, please.
Eish, ngibona ke.
Is there something on your phone? Open it for me.
Akunalutho la.
Okay. Let's got to just face this way for me a little. Yeah. Okay, go to his WhatsApp. Okay. Search, type love you.
Yeah.
Okay, what do you see?
Ngibona mina.
Okay.
Ubani uLerato?
Khuluma ngani?
Go into the chat.
Wow.
Awumazi uLerato?
Yabo, angimazi uLerato nje bekwabangane bengifunda nabo esikoleni yabo. So, akusinto serious le.
Lerato uze ngosendele di-notes ke Lerato ke mkhotsi wa sekolong.
Ngisukela ke, usuyangisukela ke.
But uyibhalile lento akuso Lerato oyibhalile lento.
No, yabona ngishila ngathi uzosimoshela into yethu sayihamba.
Amara ke phone ya hao Themba awusuka simo blame ka phone ya hao.
Kodwa buka manje buka.
Asi lo dot usefonini yakho Themba. Sathi phone yakho.
No. Let's call Lerato. You don't want to call Lerato?
Ngifuna ukwazi futhi.
Manje
Kaloku so that she can confirm if you guys are really friends. Angithi?
Yabona mara buka manje.
kusho ganhlanhle nakekho imithetho wena umfetola silayela
Moshakele manje moshakele usukule.
wena umfetola silayela ganhlanhle
Phela wabo ugizulisana nalabantu ke lo.
ke nna kuba emisitse gore ke a o sa emisitse
Hi, can I please speak to Lerato?
o no ntse o bona go patang Themba.
Hello.
Hi. Am I speaking to Lerato?
Yes.
Ask my scat how if she knows the term.
Hello Lerato.
Hello.
Ke kopa botsa ke eng o kopantshang le Themba?
Themba ke motho wa ka moswana o mang o tlompotsa ka Themba.
Le nna Themba ke motho wa ka. O na nako e ka kang utlwana le Themba?
Unamanga lo muntu.
Ana le 2 years.
Manga odwa la tshela wona.
A una le maka Themba ke yo.
Hayi uThemba bangiphika.
Wow khuluma manga vena.
Ah.
Themba.
Hayi yabona ulalele lo vele uyivale le phone angeke ngikhona ukukhuluma.
Hore ke lalele o tshore ke nna silayela sa o kutsho.
Mara ufuna ukulalela lento le.
Itso phone ya hao.
Mina ngithembi phela mo.
Hi, Bo, how can we test you after this?
Ke ska o tshepa. Ke man rat.
Yenzi lento mfethu ungayenzi.
Motho o sendelana
Why are you cheating?
Akusaya kwa tsamaya.
Why?
Angisayile mina hamba.
Ngihamba ngedwa mina.
Yeah.
Kanti ukuhlala bani le?
It's fine, you'll cuddle with the pillow. Miss Kat, don't need transport, you're fine.
Ke hlohlo ka transport ke dula hole aus.
Okay, it's fine. But please leave us, Themba.
Kanjani manje bela nto yimi lo muntu.
Okay.
La tilon la tetse toti.
Ngilanda lo.
Tsamula tela
Isambile ngaba ukho lo dodo okhuluma ngayo.
Themba habo landule gato kulo legato ngisho.
Sufuna ngilanda ukhona.
Landule gato.
Ulerato wani ngoba ngilande wena kini. Ngithi ngizoyihlalela nawe namhlanje.
Hamba yo landule gato mina.
So, Mingban is side chick because she was 5 months and Lerato was about 2-3 years. So, who was the side chick?
Yo. Yabona ish.
Untsomphetula silayela ntso ga I love you ngiketsa sikhayela.
Imagine.
Ish. Ulerato mfethu ufuna ngichaze
Ekhaza.
Ke eng legato.
Okay, ulerato akasangichazi ke mfethu. Akasangichazi.
So, you decided to cheat on Lerato. Tell you ngamlahlanga ke uLerato.
Ulerato ish yabona man. Ila mantombazane lawa. Yabo lokho ngilandelela. Even noma ungasayifuni lokho ila. Manje ish. Lo muntu angijabulisa manginaye.
Yeah. Miss Kat, your man has spoken. How do you feel? Have some fun?
Yabo. Umusho uthando lethu.
Hayibo, sorry boots. Follow it.
Ngilalela.
Ungangibambi.
Yabo.
Hey, go to what to Themba, man.
Ungangibambi Themba.
Ngihambe kanjani ngoba ngihamba naye ngifuna sen.
But she doesn't want to go home with you.
Iyala.
Angisayi.
But she wants to go home.
No.
Landule gato.
Wamlaleli, wawulalela lo.
She's not listening to me.
Ulalele ulrato khulume nolrato amanuthi afunani efonini yakho.
Awufuni nokuhamba nami.
Angisafuni.
Uyangilinga nje ulerato ngamanuthi lawa angifakela ngene.
Ngathi wothe ulrato akusendela amanuthi.
Ngenze njani ke mina? Ngenze njani?
Themba uzongiphendula isilima kanje.
Hayi ngicela ungayenzi lapho sema mfethu.
Angiyeke Themba.
Yo.
Angiyeke Themba.
Yabona.
I'm sorry. Follow boots. Uyakulerato kaloko. Uyakuthi uyaklinga nje na.
Mntwana kumele ngiko lerato manje.
Kodwa akakufuni.
Zile for wena Themba. Hayi Themba.
It's fine, my skirt. Stand on the side. We'll take you home. Themba, please go home.
Themba.
Thank you. Bye.
Awucabange kahle mawufika endlini.
Ayikho lengizoyicabanga hamba uye kulrato.
Hey.
Hamba uye kulrato. Uzongiphendula isilima.
Mara yabona uthembana nalabantu basemgwaqweni. Buka manje ngabe sichilile kamnandi wena uphila.
Lo dodo uvele kulabantu basemgwaqweni okuvele efonini yakho.
Please nalabantu
Umuzi ubile uDodo uvele phi.
Amanuthi avele kufoni kabani?
If awuyizange uyithathe phone nami kwasekuqaleni.
Oh wow.
Sothuba ungiphendula isilima ngisho.
Hayi bathe ngizokwenza lokho ngithanda wena ulerato angisamfuni.
But kimo kunamdinuthi tsa hao tsa lerato mo ko phone.
Ngishilo ngathi ulerato angisamfuni ufuna ngenze njani?
Ethemba buyela kulerato wakho. Hayi nawe fuck Themba.
Buka manje
Nawe fuck uzongiphendula isilima waqoqa uzongitshela ukuthi ifoko. Ungiphendula isilima waqoqa ungitshela ukuthi ifoko ongitsheli lokho. Asa yonke into lengisacrificeile.
I'm so defeated. I'm so defeated. Themba, please leave. I'm sorry I ruined your day. I apologize. Yeah.
I'm defeated. 10 years and 50.
Literally. Anyway, you guys aren't getting any conversations. My name is Lisa Serame. Do follow me on Instagram, Lisa Serame _
Instagram.
They don't have that privilege no more.
They don't have it. And boss saying Instagram it's welcome _Dlamini 88. Facebook it's welcome Dlamini. TikTok welcome Dlamini. I'm a conversation on.
Sanbonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Serame. And I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyampur. Ma, best believe if you are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas.